Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make bagel. This bagel tastes like your normal bagel before you started keto, and we isn't using mozzarella, we are using ricotta, and this is going to make your bagel to taste sweet and very soft. It's like a really nice soft sweet texture you're going to get. And I tested out, I really loved it, my friends really loved it, so let's get on to it. In a food processor, mix together all your ingredients. Take 354 grams of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and take your ricotta and cream cheese in a bowl and melt them together. You can use the entire box, what is 250 grams or just 200, depends on how soft you want your bagels to be. Alright, now pop this into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now this is nicely melted together and soft. Now you can add this to the dry ingredients. Now you can add the eggs. You need 2 eggs and just make it like you would make an omelette. Alright, now pour this into the mixture. Very good. And now turn on your food processor until it becomes one nice dough. The next step, get a tray and donut forms. If you don't have anything like this, then you can get it from your local store, or I will put a link below in the description box. I really like them. This is from Amazon. Now you need a little bit of oil so your bagels are non-sticky. And then you can use your fingers to just equally spread the oil in the form. Now you can add any spices of your choice or just not add any at all. I will add flax seeds to it. Some of them are going to be with flax seeds. Alright, and I am going to make some Italian herbs one also. And then you can just put the herbs in there. I will make some cheesy one. I am gonna use mozzarella, but you can just choose the cheese you want. Alright, now you just put it into the form, the dough. Just stick it in there. Just make sure you don't cover this top. Alright, so they are ready. Now you just pop it into the oven for about 20 minutes on 160 degrees, and don't forget to preheat your oven. Alright, so they are done now, and what we're gonna do, we're going to let them to cool down. And if that's done, you just put a baking paper on top and just turn them backwards. Like this. And let's see. Wow! So here are the bagels. This one is with the flaxseed. This is with the Italian spice mix, and I made one cheesy one because I never done that before to just try it out.
I'm taking that one, honey.
Yeah, you can. Okay, so we just wait until it cools down and then we're gonna try it. Okay, so here is the bagels. They all cooled down, and now we are going to try them. So let's share the cheesy one, maybe.
No, it's
no,
all mine. It's so
it.
good. Ah,
Let's see.
that's all I have left. By the way, calorie data should be on the screen, and when we calculated it, it's only the bagel without the seeds or the cheese. So obviously if you add cheese to it, then that comes to the calories. Tastes awesome.
It's very nice and sweety. It's like proper bagel. Alright, so it's perfect for sandwich or anything you wanted. If you want to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and see you in our next video. Bye bye!